In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete version history in Google Docs. Now, if you've ever worked in Google Docs, you know that it maintains a version history. This feature can be incredibly useful for tracking changes or reverting back to previous versions. However, there might be instances where you want a clean slate, free from any previous edits. Whether you're sharing a document with others or simply want to declutter, knowing how to handle version history can be quite handy. To start, open the Google Doc for which you want to remove the version history. You'll notice that if you go to File and then Version History, you can see all the previous edits and changes made. Unfortunately, Google Docs doesn't provide an option to delete this history directly, but there's a simple workaround that effectively achieves the same result. Here's what you need to do. Go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Make a Copy. Before you proceed, consider giving this new copy a different name for easy identification later. Renaming is optional, but it helps to keep your files organized, especially if you're dealing with multiple similar documents. Once you're ready, click on Make a Copy. This action will create a new document identical to the original, but without any version history. It's like having a fresh document with all the content intact, but none of the previous edits or changes listed. The new copy will open in a separate tab. To verify that the version history has been cleared, go ahead and click on File in this new document, then navigate to Version History. You'll see that there's no history here, just what we wanted. And just like that, you now have a version of your Google Doc that's devoid of any version history. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your document appears as new and keeps any previous edits private. I hope you found this tutorial useful. It's a small trick, but knowing it can save you a lot of time when dealing with sensitive or cluttered documents. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.